Welcome to Digital Investments. So this is my taken up new position as of right now, and this is my active PNL. Order history, that's a transaction history. Yes. So this is my order history as of right now. No good to now I changed my strategy a bit. If from the weekly time frame, if I do get any strong form of uh, what do you call dump, then only I take a short position in weekly time frame and daily time frame. So I'm doing quite good today. This position I had taken on Sunday, so I'm doing quite good returns. Good returns. Good returns. Meme coins are so shit. Meme coins are so shit. No, I don't like meme coin when there are better assets to be invested in. Why do you have to short buy Bitcoin? So, and this is my trade investment long portfolio. Much rather buy these company. They produce actual results. They are backed by something. What are this pump? What are this? What are this shit thing pump backed by? I God knows. Other than some in new crypto, Miami influencers promoting their. So let's get out of the way. Well, let's get to the main topic. Nasdaq is crashing pretty hard because more Iran is still there was this news that I know I'm very late to report this news, but there's still no sign of negotiation. Iran and US are still going back and forth. If you look at Strait of Hormuz Rife, Strait of Hormuz is still closed, but only few ships are allowed. Oh, now it's closed. Strait of Hormuz is closed right now. So we would not see any good. And crude oil is rising, and they have even put mines on the Strait of Hormuz. So which is not looking any sign of. I told you, right? I have told you. US wouldn't like. US wouldn't like. Uh, Iran wouldn't like that. US is allowing. US is ships are being parked in Strait of Hormuz. Iran only got the rights of Strait of Hormuz. US got no control. So now there is mines. It doesn't look like any sign of de-escalation. So funny that market pumped so much that okay. Market pumped so much this over this past week expecting for a ceasefire. Now they have even put mines at Strait of Hormuz is closed again. So let's get to the main topic. Still holding this position until it hits my take profit or stop loss. Stop loss. That is how I trade. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. I think I'm moving my stop loss to even now break even, or I move little bit down. Let it stay. Let it stay. Let it stay there. Let it stay there. So let's get to the main topic. I wanted to tomorrow some of the stupid companies are presenting their earnings. Stupid company, I mean the very good company, but fundamentally, they're not so good. One of them is NDTV. You know NDTV. NDTV ticker symbol NDTV. Okay, I was surprised to see this. 19% overall. Is it a pump and dump scheme? I thought. If you took at a yearly, like a bigger perspective from the market, it's just up, down, up, down, up, down. Now it is following another pump up. If you look at its fundamentals, if you expect that company would be doing very much great, right? If you see 1 month time frame, you expect if you expect company to be doing such a great, but you look at its fundamentals, Look at this quarterly results. It is even struggling to build up profit. It uses majority of their money does come from debt, and if you look at their balance sheet, look at this loss year quarter wise. Revenue is up down up down, which the company is struggling to keep consistent increasing revenue. And if you look at the profits, it keeps decreasing. And NDTV is not a new company or a tech startup or anything. It has been there since long time, and the company is struggling to even keep up keep up even struggling to keep profitability. Is surprising. If you look at its balance sheet, if you do look at its balance sheet, today it's rising ahead of its earnings tomorrow. If you look at its balance sheet, uh, let it load. It's stuck. Let's see how much hospital is. If you look at its balance sheet, debt. Look at the debt. Look at the increasing debt. Increasing debt. It hasn't shown any signs of a long-term debt. Stones have died down. And the cash, cash is also now here. Look at this cash reduction, and I'm suspecting even bigger loss. Of course, the majority of the revenue, whatever cash they have, it will maybe going to interest payment. So this is a very good. I'm no longer shorting Indian companies. I short crypto. I'm waiting for one day that markets will be more lenient towards Indian markets would be more lenient towards shorting. I would definitely short this NDTV, Sterlite, who are also reporting Sterlite. Sterlite. It's so frustrating to see that you lose to these kind of company who don't produce even. Look at this, 56% gain. And it's this also is one other thing, struggling to keep up profitability year on year, profit and profit. And tomorrow it's supposed to be reporting earnings. Uh, Consistent reduction, and quarterly you see year wise, if you see profitability is making loss. It's struggling to keep up consistently increasing profitability, and these stocks get so much hype. So that is why if there was this opportunity for shorting Indian stock for more than a day, I would definitely be another Michael Saylor in this, because there are a lot of stocks which I want to short. Even with this depreciating, generally why Indian stock market is reducing, it's crashing so much over there. One is this Iran war. Another thing is this depreciating rupee. You see all these companies like Reliance. Reliance has faced a pretty serious crash. Over this 1 year time. It's pretty serious crash. If you look at another one of the good company, HUL, they are also not trying to keep up profitability over here, or even Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma also, they are struggling to keep up because of this depreciating rupee. Uh, Market is not doing so quite well. But what I am seeing with these companies, Sterlite, Sterlite, RPSG Ventures, RPSG Ventures, uh, RPSG Ventures, 137% increase. RPSG Ventures and a lot of other companies like that, they are struggling to keep up. They are getting so much hype with this rupee crashes. When the rupee is crashing, that's why I don't like to short Indian markets. Short Indian markets. But I do believe India's growth. I don't believe in Indian leadership, but I do believe in India's growth. So we'll see how it goes. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.